Welcome to video vlog No.1.
So these are the bikes. This is our first video vlog thing ever. So excuse the very awkward and yeah, exactly that.
My bike has a reasonably quiet can, so you'll probably be able to hear me, but her bike is really noisy. So you're gonna have to shout a lot. It's really very slippy. Things I've been working on. I have been attempting no hand wheelie circle figure of 8. There we go, no hands. Oh. And again, no hands. Try and get it to come round. A little bit jumpy. Looks like Cass is on the floor.
I've been learning switchback zeros, but I've been learning them. With the handbrake. So, jump, grab the handbrake, start using it. I can't even feel where my foot is. Where is my foot brake? Am I on the right side of the... Oh! Trying to look down and see where my foot is. Anyway, that was nowhere near.
This is what it is like when you're training and you're trying to get a new trick. You spend a lot of time doing the same thing again and again. Grab the fork, grab the front wheel. This is really hard. Right, let's see what she has on offer.
No! I can do this, but probably in the next vlog, because this is going to take a couple more training sessions.
I hope you're enjoying the entertainment. Okay, here we go, switch back. So, here she is on the handbrake, slowing it down, trying to teach herself where the foot brake is and how to use it backwards on the wrong foot. So, it's a lot to take on. That was sort of like a real slow get into position. She's not in the right place.
I'm sat really weirdly. Nice. Yay! Was that showing off? When you looked at me, you failed.
I know. Is that because you're drop dead gorgeous?
Oh, you smooth one, you. I haven't done this for ages.
I wonder whether any of you can hear anything she's saying whatsoever. That pipe has to go. This pipe is a standard can that's been cut down, so it's nice and quiet for training.
So basically, this is a dismount. Ah! That was rubbish!
I think her timing was a little bit out and she's being very hard on herself about it.
Okay, so I speed up, turn that off, kick the side stand. Ah! Okay, kind of. I mean, I did actually jump, but not very far, and there was a scream. A very weird scream. Oh, yeah, I need to put this.
No, she forgot the side stand.
I forgot to put the side stand down. That would have been a pancake and a half.
Okay, one more time.
Really?
Yeah, and do it coming towards us.
Oh dear.
We might end up with a Cassie in our face.
Oh, okay, remember side stand, Cass. Oh, yes!
Okay, so I'm glad you could make it. We had a lovely day in the wet training. Our vlogs can only get better.
Definitely.
A bit like the weather.
Stop raining! Thank you very much for watching, guys, and hopefully we will see you in the next motor vlog with loads and loads of new tricks. Bye!
Bye! Poor bike.